Hi everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel Sirin's Crochet. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful and cozy socks. It will take only 1 hour or less to make these 2 pair of socks. I will use 8mm L hook and chunky yarn. Only 1 ball of 100 grams chunky yarn I use. My food is 7.5. It's 36 in Turkey. I hope you like it, and if you subscribe, we can start anytime you want, and don't forget to push the like button, please. Let's start. We will start with a slip knot and chain 6. Four, 5, 6. Skip that one and make 2 single crochet into the second chain, and that's 2. Next chain, into the next chain, 1 single crochet, and next 1 and 1 again. Into that last one, make 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Make 1 single crochet, 1 again, 1 again, and for the last time 1 single crochet and slip stitch here. Chain 1, make 2 single crochet, same stitch, 1, 2, 2 single crochet into next one, and 1, 2, 3 single crochet into next 3 single crochet. 2 single crochet, 2 again into the same space, of course, and 2 again, and then 1, oops, sorry, 1, 1 and 2 single crochet here, and slip stitch. That's the second row. Now we will make 1 single crochet all the stitches. You must have 18 stitches, and keep doing like that for the 16 row. Make it 16 row. You can make it longer or shorter. You can wear it or measure it and make it longer or shorter if you want. And I will keep doing like that for 16 row, and see you after. I finish my 16 row, and with this 2 it's 18. Now chain 1 and make 20 single crochet. 11, 12. Sorry, I said 20, don't I? It's 12. sorry, really. Chain 1 and make 12 single crochet again. We will keep doing like this. That's for 8 row. That's my second row, and I will make 6 row more and turn again. I make 8 row more, and now I will cut the yarn. Turn your work like that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet into the 5 single crochet and make 3 more. Chain 1, turn and make 4 single crochet again. Chain 1, turn, make 4 single crochet again. And make 4 single crochet again. Keep this side like that, and into that last single crochet, yarn over and slip stitch. Chain 1, turn your work and make slip stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and make single crochet for all the 8 row. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Skip that one. We will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet here, and now we will make single crochets into that. And that's 6. And now we will make 8 single crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here, and slip stitch. We will see that part later. Chain 1, Make single crochet until you came here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we will make decrease 2 single crochet together. Take this front loop and the other one's front loop, yarn over, pull through, and make single crochet. And we will make this again. Two single crochet together. Make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and then again decrease. That's 1 decrease, and that's second one. Oops. And now we will make 6 single crochet. And slip stitch. Chain 1, make 10 single crochet, and 10, 1 decrease, two single crochet, one decrease again. You are not have to make this last row's decrease. I don't want loose, very loose socks, so I will make it, but you are not have to. Chain 1 and make single crochets all the way along. I will make 5 rows of single crochets. You can make it longer or shorter if you want. When I make it, I will see you again. If you finish the 5 row, now we will make one last touch. Chain 1, slip stitch, I will make like that all the way along, and our work is finished. Please be careful about don't make it the slip stitch too tight. That's the last one. Now I will cut the yarn. Take a yarn needle. I will finish like that. Now I will hide my tail. Take a little longer yarn and turn your work back side. And sew it. And hide these tails and it will be ready. And it's finished. It's very easy, as you see. I like to make it and wear it very much. And you can make it bigger or smaller if you want, as I show you in the video. Only a few more row or few less row you can make as you want. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. You can find me in Instagram. Just follow the link below. Hope to see you again and wait for your lovely comments. See you.